When it comes to fine dining, I always hold high expectations for how a dish can truly stand out and become a memorable highlight of the entire dining experience. The chef at Sühring nailed it, and it is perhaps one of my favorite restaurants that I have tried. Once you enter, you will be greeted by an ambience of refined elegance created by the greenery decorations. The forest-like design exudes a harmonious blend of modern sophistication and timeless charm, setting the stage for an unforgettable evening. The German tasting menu encompasses 9 meticulously crafted dishes presented by twin chefs Matthias and Thomas. This unique culinary experience is influenced by their family recipes, childhood memories, and travels. When it comes to individual dishes, I will highlight some of these innovative creations. One of my favorite dishes at Sühring is enlita, a delightful creation presented in chocolate waffle packaging. It's truly remarkable how the chefs dared to introduce this playful snack to the refined setting of a Michelin 2-star restaurant. The enlita consists of duck liver sandwiched between 2 crispy hazelnut waffles, paying homage to the nostalgic childhood memories of Ha Nu Ta, the famous German chocolate and hazelnut waffles. To enhance the rich flavors of the dish, it is recommended to sip on the Dr. Renhoff drink vinegar, infused with apricot and honey. Its tangy notes beautifully balance the indulgent sensation of the dish. Before delving into the main course, you have the opportunity to choose your preferred knife for the meat. This small personalization uplifts the entire dining experience, adding an extra touch of customization and refinement. The lamb, aged for 7 days, is incredibly succulent and bursting with intense flavor. The dish is further elevated by the addition of a rich and aromatic jus, which adds an extra layer of complexity. All in all, Sühring is more than just a place to dine. The service is top-notch, and the environment exudes refinement and harmony. Each dish is a culinary masterpiece that captivates all your senses. Most importantly, you can truly feel the stories behind the dishes, thanks to the staff's detailed descriptions, which enhance the overall experience. That concludes today's video. If you're interested in exploring more fine dining restaurants and travel itineraries, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in the next video.